Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly disable startup programs in Windows 10. Startup programs can affect the time that it takes your PC to boot up. By disabling apps that you don't use, you can improve your PC boot time and performance. Let's get started. Click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Apps. In left menu pane, click on Startup and you will find here lot of apps that run in start time. You can disable by clicking on disable icon here, or you have another way. Close settings, right click on taskbar, click on task manager, then click on startup tab. Here you will find the startup apps. You can disable a startup app from here. Select the app and then click on disable button on lower right corner, or right click on the enabled app and then click on disable. You can disable all startup apps rather than Windows security app. I am disabling all startup apps. This is the easiest way to disable a startup app on Windows 10 computer.